Welcome to Friday Night Bites, where we show you the yummiest hits of the week. Let's kick it off with a bang and number 10. That was great, wasn't it? Now let's go to number 9. Crazy delicious. Let's see what recipe number 8 is. Is it me or is it getting hot in the kitchen? Let's move on to number 7. I was just dreaming about this recipe last night. Now number 6. Chef's kiss. Mwah! Now we're moving on to the top 5. This recipe was finger-lickin' good. Can recipe number 4 be much better? Oh, snap! I was not expecting that. And now the top 3 recipes of the week. That recipe had me all like nom nom nom. How much better can number 2 be? Winner, winner, chicken dinner, and the best recipe of the week, drum roll please. That's it for this week's Yummiest Hits. See you next week with more bites.